Do I flex? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the additions that we're starting to make to our T3 weight rack that we got from Titan Fitness. So far, Titan Fitness, we got the 4-point rack. This is the T3 rack. And so it doesn't come with everything that you really need for it though. So we're starting to add to it as we go. So it's not just a one-time purchase. You have to keep adding to the things that you need to it to make it useful for what your workouts are. So for us, we have 300 pounds of weights, plate weights, but we didn't have anywhere to put them. We didn't have a rack, we didn't have a tree to put it on. And I kind of wanted to keep things as consolidated as I could, because if you get a weight tree to put these on, now I have to have a corner of where the weights are. So I end up getting these are 11.5 inch plate holders. So these fit the T3 rack and the X3 rack. They don't come with it, so you got to get them separately. So there's a couple things that are nice about them. One is they are deep. They're 11.5 inches. They say that each one of these things will hold up to 330 pounds. I don't need to test that. I mean, for one, that's a lot of weight. So 3, 6, 9, 1,200 pounds on this rack is not something I'm going to do. And so I don't need that. But they do say that it will hold that. So what you get with it is you get 4 of these, one for each post, that you can put onto your rack. They come with heavy-duty bolts and all the things that you need with it. Bolt, locking nut, that sort of thing, so you can put it on there. It also comes with this rubber stopper, as you can see right there. So that way when we put this on, it'll actually stop the weights from slamming against your bolts. You can see it's got a little bit of a distance to it, so your plates won't slam against it, even if you don't have the same plates. You should have a clearance and distance of it, and the rubber should help keep and protect your overall rack. Now these plate holders themselves, like I said, do not come with it. They're $79. Usually you can get them with free shipping. Usually if you wait long enough, you can get a sale for it, and you get 4 of them all together. So you get 1 for each post, and that's plenty for what I need. As well as you could do some different things with it, like I can use these for rubber bands, because if you want to do rubber band workout or band workouts and stuff like that, obviously these are secured to the ground really well. So the other thing that makes it really nice is by putting additional weight to your rack, by using the posts, it actually gives the rack more stability as well. So I'm on a rubber floor, but it's also on carpeting because it's in my house. So I'm not bolting it to the floor. You have the capability to bolt it down. You have the capability of putting it on a stand as well. If you want to build like a wood stand, at some point maybe I'll do that. But I wanted to see how the stability increased by just adding the weight to the rack, because it's lowering the center of gravity for the weight rack. It's just, obviously now it's bottom heavy because that's where the weight's holding it to the floor. So I don't need to bolt it down here, and even on a little bit of carpeting and a rubber flooring on it, I still have really good stability from doing pull-ups or if I'm benching or anything else. I have the stability I need. So these, again, don't come with it. They're $79.99. You can get a 20% discount if you wait long enough and are patient enough for it. All they really are is heavy-duty steel posts, right, to hold your plates. And these hold the 2.5 inch, so I'm grabbing this in a weird way, but they hold the big plates. Obviously you can put smaller ones on it too, but they hold the big plates that you would get for any kind of like 2.5 inch workouts or bar workouts that you're doing. So that's it. We'll continue to add to this rack as we go. I need to get at some point a lat pull down machine that allows you to do back workouts, things like that. So I want to get some things like that, as well as it comes with these J hooks to hold your bar, but it doesn't come with any kind of safety bars for it. So if you're benching by yourself, you have to get safety bars. They have either a solid safety bar or like more of a fabric type safety bar that you can get. Doesn't come with that either. So those are things that you have to add on to this rack to make it fully useful for what you're doing for a workout, and to make it safe, of course. Honestly, I think the safety bar should come with a rack, because clearly safety first. So anyway, that's it. Subscribe to our channel. I'll put a link in the description below to all the other Titan Fitness and other workout gear that we've covered. So we covered a bench as well. We've covered some dumbbells and that sort of thing as well. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.